Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to buy Cardano on Coinbase. So on Coinbase here, I already have 900 shares of Cardano, so I'm not going to be purchasing a lot in this video, but the first thing you're going to want to do is actually link a payment method. So along the very bottom here, you'll see multiple options. You're going to click on settings, and under settings, you'll see payment method and an option to add a payment method. So click on that. In here, you have multiple options of adding a payment method. You could add a bank account, you could add a PayPal account, debit card, or you could conduct a wire transfer. So after you've added a payment method, at the very bottom, you'll see a blue button with arrows pointing in opposite directions. So we're going to click on that, and then we're going to click on buy crypto with cash, and then select which asset to buy. We're going to select Cardano. Okay, so let's say we're going to buy $10 worth of Cardano. You'll see that my payment method is already there. I'm going to blur it out for privacy reasons, and then we're going to click on preview buy, and then you can see here it's going to charge you $10. But while you're looking at this order preview, you'll see that Coinbase fee is 99 cents to buy $10 worth of Cardano, which is a 10% fee, which in my opinion is pretty high. So we're not going to buy on Coinbase, and we're actually going to buy Cardano on Coinbase Pro. Okay, on Coinbase Pro, you're basically going to follow the same order here. First thing you want to do is add a payment method. Along the bottom, you'll see multiple tabs. Click on that person tab, and then click on add a payment method. And it looks like right here, you could only add a bank account. So just add a bank account. So after you've added a payment method, click on that pie graph at the very bottom, and then you'll see an option to deposit funds. So let me just show you guys what that looks like. I'm going to click on deposit, and you're going to select US dollars, and you're going to select your payment method here. You could transfer funds from coinbase.com, do a wire transfer, or transfer funds via ACH from your bank account. So let's select that. Okay, and all you have to do is type in how much you're going to deposit. Let's say I'm going to deposit $10 into my Coinbase account, and all you have to do at that point is hit preview. Okay, and it's telling you that your $10 is going to be available for trading instantly. However, you have to wait 6 days to send or withdraw your Cardano. However, once you deposit US dollars, you could actually use that US dollars to purchase any cryptocurrency. So I've already deposited $10. However, my last recording kind of messed up because it wasn't recording my audio. But now you can see I have $10 in my Coinbase Pro account. I'm going to select the bar graph icon, and then we're going to search for Cardano, also known as ADA. So as you can see, ADA is currently trading at $2.21. We're going to select ADA USD. Okay, after that, you'll be on this screen, click on buy, and then we're going to buy the max amount of ADA. At the very bottom here, you'll see like 25%, 50%, 75%. We're going to click on max to use up all of our buying power. As you can see, we're going to buy 4.49 worth of ADA with a fee of 4 cents. So click on preview order and place buy order. And as you can see, I have $10 worth of Cardano on Coinbase Pro. So that's how you buy Cardano on Coinbase and Coinbase Pro. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit that like button. If you guys want $10 worth of Bitcoin for free, feel free to purchase $100 worth of cryptocurrency on Coinbase with my referral link, and you and I both will get $10 worth of Bitcoin. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.